In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 3W, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So first of all, you need to open list of all apps, then find and select settings. Here locate and click on display, and now enter advanced. Now select wallpaper tab, and you can either choose one from your own photos or something from wallpapers album. And let me pick the second option, and now you can pick the picture that you would like to apply as your home screen. Not sure if you can do it this way. No, you can just click to see how it will look like, and you need to tap on one by one in order to check how it looks on your display. So you can pick the one that you want to apply, for example this one, tap on set wallpaper then, and now decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. And let me pick both. And from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also a lock screen of yours. Here it is. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.